Unlock the power of your Excel data by mastering how to add a percentage column to your pivotables. Let's say you have a pivotable summarizing sales by region and product, and you want to see what percentage each product contributes to the total sales within each region, or even to the overall grand total. We can easily add that to visualize proportions and uncover hidden relationships. First, ensure your pivotable is selected. Then, locate the PivotTable Fields pane, usually appearing on the right. This pane lists all the fields from your original data. Identify the value field you want to represent as a percentage. In this example, it's our sales amount. Drag this field to the values area if it isn't already there. You'll see your raw sales figures displayed now. Here's the key step. Click the drop-down arrow next to the value field you just added in the values area. From the options that pop up, select Value Field Settings. This will open the Value Field Settings dialog box. Go to the Show Values as tab. Here, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on it to reveal a list of different ways to display your values. For this tutorial, let's choose percentage of grand total. This will show you each value as a percentage of the overall total. Instantly, your pivotable transforms. You now have a column displaying percentages, giving you a clear view of proportions and helping you compare data segments more effectively. To show values as a percentage of a column or row total instead, simply select percentage of column total or percentage of row total from that same Show Values as list in the value field settings. Experiment with these options to find the most insightful way to visualize your data and uncover those valuable relationships.